Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to start adding furniture. Not a crazy amount, just enough so where you can see exactly what's going on in each room. If you haven't already taken a picture of what this place looks like without furniture, you might want to do so. Remember, file, download, PNG, you get the idea. So you might see that I already have furniture in there. I'm going to show you where to download them and how to manipulate them. So the first place you go to right here is components, and you can search for, I'm going to search for a couch. All right, and all these couches look great, but one thing that stands out is the size, the file size. 3.9 megabits is way too much. 9.9 is way too much. Anything close to 0.1 is literally your best bet. Like this might be too much, but I don't think we can get away. Like 0.5 might be, no, this is 0.02. So let's try that. All right, not too bad, but it is a big blocky couch. So anyway, I don't like to put my furniture inside first. I like to put it out here and kind of see where I could put this. And I need to rotate this. So I'm going to rotate that. There's the letter Q. Rotate. And I'm going to show you another command that is very useful. Since this is a massive couch, I don't know why this is that massive. Let's see how tall this thing is. Yeah, it's just really, really bulky. All right, move, copy, and I'm going to toss it right in there, and I'm going to scale it down. So the letter S for scale, and you see how a lot of things are in the way. I can hit the letter K to see right through. I need to grab this grip and just click really quick and scale this down. That, and then hit the letter K again, and there you have it. There's the couch. You know, I've already pulled in a door. Let me show you how to scale down a door. This door is supposed to swing in a different way, so I'm going to move this. And what I like to do with doors, like if this is going to be the door for everything, I'll make a copy of this. So M control, and then I'll use the scale command to flip it. And what I mean by flip it is actually mirror. So see how the handle's on this side? Well, I need it to where the handle's on this side and the door swings open this way. The handle's on this side and the door will swing open this way. I don't want that. So I want it the opposite. So if I click, drag, and then I type -1, I will have a mirror of this. All right, let me go ahead and put this put this in there. And if you'll notice that this is just way too big, I'm gonna have to scale this. So you'll notice that there's tons and tons of grips. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for this one. And I'll hit K again, and then just tap right here on this edge. Done. Oh, let me make sure that this bottom one touches the surface, and then hit K again. So the letter K, you can see how you can see through everything. It's like a wireframe. That's what that's for. Okay, so what's great about putting copies of these inside is if I want to change this, I can double click inside, and let's just say I want to change the color of this. I can go right here to browse, hit the letter B, and then go right here to browse, and I could change this to whatever material I want. So like if I want this to look like wood, and let's just say I want this to look like dark wood or something like that, I can just click on that wood. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you have to make sure that you click. So sometimes there's components within components, and that happens. And there you have it. You can click away. I think that's about it. I'll just grab these sides, and then I'll just leave that red. And again, if you want this all to look like wood, you would have to get, even the underside, especially if you're going to do like a walkthrough. Wish there was a way to paint this all right away, but there really isn't. So like you would have to go here and there, here and there. Yeah. Yeah, this would take forever. So I'll just leave it like that. And what's great about that, the changes that I made here will also be the changes that occur over here. I love that because I don't have to, try and go around and squeeze in between because it's all out here. Anyway, um, if the furniture, for example, um, let's just say I type in bathroom, you might get a whole entire bathroom like this. Again, watch the file size. So this might be good. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I don't need her. So delete that. Yeah, you can just double click inside and see how it's just a basic bathroom. I don't really like that, but I do like this. That's a nice toilet. I'm just gonna control copy, control V. There we go. I think I'm just gonna delete the rest. Um, you don't have to use the whole thing. Oh, here's a nice one. Let's see. Oh wow, they kind of just went all out. Yeah, this one actually might work. I don't know why there's a gap. There should not be a gap there. Move. I just resized it because it looks like they got things. Oh wow, I even got a spa. Nice. Okay, yeah, this seems legit. I like it. Um, I'll remove the walls, so I don't need these. Delete and this. I'll go ahead and delete, delete, delete. I'll probably not even use these color tiles, but you know what? For now, just for this, this purpose, I can grab something like this. Move Control. Oop. Actually, not Control. Control C. Bring it out here. There we go. And eventually I'll put it in there. So, I mean, this is how you can take stuff out. I do like these floating shelves and these floating. I like all this, but I'm gonna scavenge it. Anyway, um, you can do the same. Actually, better yet, explode. And now you can grab all these, move Control, and the bathroom is here. Let's go ahead and now I can move it into place. There we go. It is a little too big. Of course, I'm going to scale it. And there you have it. I'll have to scale it some more. Oh, I did grab something. I don't know what I grabbed, but looks like I grabbed this. Delete, 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 delete. Anyway, you get the idea.